entering TPLX.
TPLX. Pastro lang ito.
2 hours away from Kenan.
Pastro lang to kasi
Ay, Pastro.
pagdating doon, hindi na maninil sa labas.
In 1 kilometer, at the roundabout, take the second exit on 209 Rosario Loop Road.
Okay, tingnan natin kung magkano ang rate ng TPLX.
Wala,
Pagkahaba-habang TPLX. Magkano? Oops. Oh, 311?
Siguro binawas na doon sa una. 300. Ako na sa
Ano ka 500 yun? Okay,
Pasko
punta na
daw.
tayong Canon. Pasko dat libre.
Umaya sila maglilibre alas 10. Pag mga nagluluto, isa-isa na yung mga tao.
You are leaving TPLX. Thank you. Ito naman yung sanda
At the roundabout, take the second exit on 209
kanan,
Rosario
papuntang
Loop
Kenan.
Road.
Doon, diretso mo nila.
Rosario, La Union. Welcome, Lusaka, sorry. Turn right, Papa.
Ito yung season kanina na nakita natin. Okay, pasok tayo.
Diba? Oh. Kenan.
Welcome, Benguet Province.
Going to Lion's Head. Wow. Akala ko sa Kaibiyang to, hindi ba to sa Kaibiyang?
Okay, yung
Okay, Kaibiyang lang ba yun?
Yung lang kasi may multo doon.
Say something.
Hi
Hello
guys.
guys, we are here in Baguio. No, not yet. Sa Lion's Head pa lang pala.
Yeah, we're at the. Hi guys.
Hello guys.
We are here at the mountain. Look behind me. There's the mountain.
Wala si Papa mo.
What? Where?
Papa.
I don't know. He's behind us maybe.
Isel, gilid kayo ha?
Alright. Buddy. Hey, we're going to take pictures. Right, Mama? No answers. Yeah, for real.
Saan si Papa mo?
There's toys here. I think there's toys behind us.
Tama mo na mauubos yung... Later na, picture mo na tayo. Wow, Lion's Head.
Oh, yeah, for real. Look at that.
You remember that? That Lion's Head, anak?
I feel like you know.
Asan si Papa mo?
Oh, I don't know.